Hey folks, Property Point Customs here. What we're going to do today is unbox my new solar string lights that I purchased through Amazon. These are actually rated #1 in string lights on Amazon Canada. So what you have inside the box is your solar panel. You have a spare bulb. These are E26 bulbs. They're Edison bulbs. They have a 2700K color, which is kind of that yellowish color. You have a stake mount for mounting your solar panel into the ground. You can also mount it on the side of a building. As you can see, you have 3 screw holes there. Loosen this up and you can screw that into the side of the building. You have 16 bulbs. This is 39 feet in length. The distance between the first and last bulb is around 29 feet. The rest is cable. On the back of your solar panel is your power button, and there's 4 different modes. Right now you can actually see this battery's at around 50%. I like the fact that it actually does have the power indicator on it. So they say these bulbs have a lifespan of 50,000 hours, so we'll certainly see if that's correct or not. And again, you can unscrew these to replace them. So I've installed one set on my deck. And there's the solar panel. To wire the solar panel, it's as simple as just connecting the end of the string lights to the clip on the solar panel itself. Literally, it takes 20 seconds to do. So you want to make sure when you're mounting your solar panel that it has access to direct sunlight. They say it takes about 8 hours to charge. It's around 11 a.m. and this has had about 4 or 5 hours of sunlight and it's fully charged. And I've just mounted it with a couple deck screws. And the nice thing about it, you can actually adjust it right here for your angle if you find it's not getting enough sun. And this is where you connect them together. And there's my second set of string lights. And there's my solar panel, so this has access to all the morning sun. So it's about 10:30 p.m. Fairly dark out. So this is the first set on the deck. Gives a real nice light. Nice soft light. It's real easy on the eyes. But it's still bright enough that you can get around. And this is my second set. What we're going to do down the road is put a above ground pool right here. So what we're going to do is string the lights over this way and kind of do a zigzag. So I have a couple more sets and we'll do that once the pool's installed. But again, this gives a really nice light. My solar panels are right there. These are solar lights too. And hopefully it turns out all right on video. But again, it's a really nice soft light here. So when we do get the pool put in with the lights going overhead, it's going to give a really nice atmosphere. So what we'll do is we'll see how these hold up, and again when I get the other ones installed we'll do a little updated video on it, and hopefully they do hold up. Again, with the solar, it's nice, you don't have to really wire anything. Again, if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions in regards to the solar lights or other unboxing videos and setups you'd like to see, make sure you post them below. If not, thanks for watching.